Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be fixing the oil pressure switch on a Vauxhall Corsa D. I'm pretty sure this is the same fix on all Corsa D models from like 2006 up to I'd say 2011 or 2012. Don't count me on that. I'll have it in the description anyway. So yeah, basically the little story behind how I found this fault is I was just basically driving as normal and then the red oil light came on, but it would only come on when I'd put the clutch in, as if like there was no power going to the oil. But then as soon as I released the clutch and put it in gear and the revs built up, the light would go off. So that's how I knew it wasn't oil, if you know what I mean. Plus I've not long ago had a service, I've got enough oil in, and I've actually noticed a small oil leak where the part is that needs replacing, if you know what I mean. So the actual broken part is leaking, hence why we're going to be replacing that today. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Oh, can you feel me? Oh, can you sense what I'm saying is the real me? Will you listen to my problems and just heal me? Or will you kill me? Or will you kill me?
Right, so that black plastic part there is what we're going to be replacing. As you can see, it's not really sat on there properly, and there's quite a bit of movement going on in there. I'm not sure if you can see down there, but that's where the oil is leaking from, as you can see when it fucking focuses. Yeah, so we've got some oil coming out of there. So just going to replace that part, just going to unclip it off here, just like that, and then you need your spanner to get that nut off there. So, out of the old oil pressure switch, and make sure you take this little green rubber bit out because the new ones don't come supplied with that. So you're going to want to take that one out and put it in the new one. So when you take the old pressure switch out, you will see a bit of oil leak at the bottom, but that's fine, it's totally natural. It's just like where the oil was built up onto the bolt. So just screw your new one in like so. You won't need to take that off because that's not being replaced, that little dangly bit there. That's just going to plug straight back in here after I've tightened this up. But I did get a bit of a rag, just clean up some of the oil that had been spilt, just because I have had a few oil leaks in the past and I don't really want to have any more. So yeah, just want to tighten that back up and put the clip back on. I need two hands to do this. Right. And there you go. As you can see, the light has now gone off. The only lights we have on is the handbrake and the seat belt, which is to be expected. And yeah, so that is how you fix the oil pressure switch on a Vauxhall Corsa D. I'll have the part link in the description if you guys are after the actual part itself. I think it was like £6 or £7 off Amazon, which is literally nothing. But yeah, I'll play the video again after this clip, just of the car, like how I found the problem, just in case you guys don't know what's wrong with your car and you've got the light come on. But yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment if I missed anything, or comment if you've got any problems with your car. I'll try and help you out as much as I can. If you message me on Instagram, I'll try and help you on there as well. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.